Hey there, folks. I am hiring. I haven't talked much about on this channel what I do, but I run a small software company. We build custom web and mobile apps for clients, as well as run a product for ourselves. Everything we do is in TypeScript, top to bottom, backend to web front end to native front end, even with React Native and Expo. We're a small but passionate team, only 4 people right now, but we are looking to grow, which is why I'm making this video. I take great responsibility in finding just the right person to help us grow, and maybe even people looking for passionate, creative, self-motivated people who want to find a place to bring their skills to the table, let them shine, put your work in the hands of real users, and build some really great products together. We are remote first, but if you live in the Dallas area, you have the option to work hybrid if you'd like. I'm the only dev in the office. Full-time, salaried, insurance, 401k, with match, all of the things. You'll find all the details in the description below, including whether we're looking for back-end focus or front-end focus or both, or full stack at the moment. We've built this company over the past 10 years. I'm super proud of it, super proud of what we do. We work hard, we put great passion into our work, but we have a nice balance as well. So if you like the things you see on this channel, the tools, the technologies, frameworks, techniques, then you'll probably like what we do at Stoke Studio. So I invite you to apply. You'll find all the details down below, and I hope to be talking to you soon. Come work for me. Talk soon.